morning everybody, and welcome to today's video. So today I have a THRIFT goodie box to open with you guys, try on and see what's inside. THRIFT is an online consignment store, so it should have better products, better quality, or better brands, whatever way you want to put it, than if you were to just go to the Goodwill. I believe people probably sell their things to THRIFT, but I don't really know that. So you can buy things individually, or you can get a goodie box, which is what I have here today. So this is a just for you goodie box. I answered some questions about things I like, things I don't like. Things I said were like, I want feminine without being overtly girly, and I'm hoping that I get something that I could wear to work today because I don't know what I'm gonna wear to work today. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, here we go. Ooh, this is so exciting. Okay, so first thing we have is what looks like a dress from THRIFT. This looks pretty cute. I think the length looks nice. It seems to be lined underneath with a little bit of lace sticking out. I don't know if you can really see that, but so far, as our first item of the day, I think this is pretty cute and we're off to a good start. Okay, another dress. This is a long sleeve maroon. This looks to be a little bit shorter. The back is open. You probably can't see that, but that is cut out right there, and it zips up the back. Right off the bat, that's probably gonna be a little bit difficult for me because things that zip up the back, I'm like really wide, so they don't seem to turn out really well, but I'm excited to try it on. Next is just a cute little tank top from Doncaster. This is cute if I have a sweater to go over it, but I don't know if I do. So we will see. And I think I answered questions like body parts I'm trying to hide or whatever like that, which probably would have been my arms. So it's kind of interesting that I got a sleeveless or a tank top, but whatever, we'll see. You can send back anything that you don't want. You only pay for what you keep. I guess I should have mentioned this earlier. You do have to do a $10 down payment, but everything should be like $20 to $60, and you also get to decide what the average price of the items in your box are. So it is a pretty good setup. All right, another dress. This one sleeveless again, a little bit of a crew neck maybe, and some cutouts at the top. A little bit longer than the other two and cinched on the side. So we are getting a lot of dresses today. This is a really pretty color. Ooh, wow. This is really pretty. Another tank top, so kind of just plain in the front, maybe a little peplum-like, and then in the back it's a little bit cut out, zips up the back, and then buttons at the bottom. So that'll be an interesting one to try. Another tank top. I'm not really sure what's up with the tank tops. This looks like just a really casual tank top, gray, some cuts, like slits up the side, and this is from Rag & Bone. So maybe with jeans, this would be really cute. Honestly, I could probably wear it with this sweater. This looks like another tank top from INC. I don't really know how to say that brand. Just cream with a black outline. Honestly, right off the bat, that looks really kind of tiny. So we will have to see. This looks like a skirt. Okay, that's fun. So the tag on this one is falling off. Archer Liar and Nicole Miller. That looks like it's like a collaboration. So just a fun patterned skirt. Doesn't really scream me right off the bat, but we will try it. Got a Giorgio Armani just t-shirt. These smalls are like really, really tiny, which is slightly concerning. And this is really just a t-shirt, so I can pretty much tell you right now I won't be keeping that. And then I believe our last item, another skirt. Okay, this is from Theory. This is kind of cute. I'd have to try it on and figure out an outfit to put together, so that's going to be a little bit tricky for me, but very, very interesting. And now there is one last thing in here. I do not know what this is. Do I look in? Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's the return stuff. That's so funny. Let's go try everything on. Okay, so first thing I'm starting with is this patterned skirt. It is a little bit tight, so it's definitely going to be a no for me. What's interesting is it's tight right here. Specifically, this band is very tight on my butt. but it's actually pretty loose on my waist, which is like a common problem I have. This is a size 4, but this is gonna be an easy no for me because I just honestly feel like I'm going to rip this if I keep it on much longer. Okay, this is the second skirt, and I'm not very familiar or comfortable with styling skirts, so that could be the overall issue here. I've just tucked in a black t-shirt to this, but if you can tell, it's kind of like coming up here and it a little bit comes up right here as well. It's actually, the skirt is attached to the inside liner, so that is why that's happening, but it's difficult to tell where exactly the front and the back and the sides of this skirt are. So right now I just have the tag in the back, but that kind of puts the zipper sort of off center, if that makes sense, and I wanted to really put the zipper on the side. That seemed more normal to me. So this is okay, it's a decent look. It could probably be styled better, so it's not really a winner for me, but if I knew how to style this better, I might like it better. So I don't necessarily I like the length of it is what I'm trying to say, and I like the potential of it. I just guess I don't wear a lot of skirts, so I don't know what to really do with it, so I probably won't be keeping this. Okay, so here is one of the dresses I got. This is the black kind of leathery, pleathery, skin tight dresses. It is sleeveless. I just have a jacket on with it. I also do not have this zipped up all the way right now because I just can't get it up by myself, and I'm afraid if I do, then I'll never get out of it. But overall, I think it's pretty cute. This is a pretty good length, like mid quad, so I like that length, not too short, not too long. It's pretty slimming, I would say. I don't feel like overly self-conscious in it. I just do think that it needs a jacket. If you're gonna wear this to work, I just have a thing against sleeveless in the workplace. That's me personally, but I think a nice pop of color like I've done with this turquoise jacket is good. So this is a pretty good find, I would say, for thrifting. Okay, so this, when I took it out of the box, I did not realize it is a romper. Yeah, full-on shorts here. So that is very exciting. This is backless, so I would obviously need a different bra, but I don't think this is going to fit. I just think I'm overall too broad for it. And you can also tell, like, my butt is kind of falling out of this already, and I haven't even started walking yet. So if I were to zip it all the way up, I only have more fear that my butt would continue to fall out of it. So this is super cute. It's just really not for me. And I am a little bit disappointed because I did answer questions about my body type and like things I'm trying to hide, accentuate, whatever. And this is definitely something I would have mentioned. So the fact that this has happened already and I have just a bunch of tank tops to try on afterward when I definitely said like arms or something I'm trying to keep covered up, is a little bit disappointing, but whatever. We will keep trying things on and hope that something else really works. Okay, so final dress in the bunch. This is a sleeveless cutout neck bodycon dress. Pretty flattering, I would say. Very movable, I would say. And it's actually lined on the inside. It's ruched on the sides, which is probably making it a little bit more flattering. I do think this is a nice summer dress, a nice summer evening, somewhere between casual and dressed up, which I like. I like to dress up because I feel like I'm always in some sort of a uniform. I don't like to be super casual then when I leave the house, but I don't want to like overdress for the occasion, whatever. So I think that this is a good mix of the two. So that's nice. Okay, so now we are on to the tank tops, and this one is very interesting. It both zips up the back and buttons up the back, but the bottom button right here is actually missing. So I don't want to wear something that you can't even fully put on. That's not exciting to me. And then overall, this is just too fitted up here. I feel very hot doggy. I feel very like everything I own is showing, and I don't want to go out to dinner in this. So this is just gonna be a no for me. All right, our second tank top here. I think this is a very pretty maroon color. This is very flattering, this top section. It's a little bit short. If I pull it down, it becomes too fitted and it's a weird length for me. But if I wore it a little bit more, like a little bit looser, a little bit more tucked up, and maybe styled it better with some jewelry, I think that this could definitely work as a nice summer tank top. Okay, definite trend of this box. Everything is very, very fitted, which is cool, but I'm not trying to have everything I wear be this tight on me. And it's a lot of stuff is just kind of a weird, short, not correct length. And that's like amplifying the fact that it is so fitted. So this is the Armani just basic tee with logo, so logo tee. No, I don't really love this. I don't find this flattering on me at all. I just think it needs to be longer or shorter, be a crop top, and just not so fitted. I am not into the skin tight t-shirts. Okay, so once again, I don't know what this length is about, but this is probably the worst t-shirt of the bunch. It's just making me look short and wide. I'm not feeling this at all. Okay, and our final product of the day is this gray rag and bone tank top. I'm like really trying to make the small tank top, high-waisted jeans, baggy sweater thing a thing. In my head, there is a way to make it work. I don't know if this is it. Definitely comfortable, so that's a huge plus. But probably I could use any gray tank top to make this outfit work. Whereas like this is gonna be a $30 tank top for I don't really know what reason. So overall, I think I'm a little bit unimpressed, underwhelmed with how this whole box went. Which is really disappointing. I was really looking forward to this video and just like getting new clothes. But this is probably my favorite item of everything we've gotten in here is this gray tank. This is just my like Target orange sweater. I don't know, I guess it works, it's a thing. I just feel like all of these clothes were for shorter, much tinier girls than me, so I'm not really sure where we went wrong there. I think I'll probably try again with their 9 to 5 box and see if that goes a little bit better for me. It is a $10 deposit, so if I wanted to get this $30 tank top, it would just charge me another $20. So I guess I'll think about if I want to do that or not. I guess I liked this black sleeveless cutout neck dress, and I also liked this kind of leathery sort of dress. So I might be keeping any of these three. I'm really not sure right now. I really wanted this to go a lot better than it did, and it didn't, so that really sucks. But, you know, there's always next time. I guess that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see even more of these fails. Make sure you have post notifications turned on, and as always, make sure you're following me on Instagram for daily health, wellness, and fitness tips. I'll see you guys next time.